Guys, in today's video I will show you guys how to create your PayPal account without any crazy cut. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, you subscribe, you share, and you hit the notification bell in order not to miss our upcoming videos. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So when you get to create your PayPal account, you'll see individual and professional accounts. I'm actually going to click on open an individual account. With an individual account, it enables you to pay online with no transaction commission, regardless of your payment method. So I'll simply click on open an account. So when you get to this page, that is sign up for PayPal, you need to first of all insert your telephone number. So before me inserting my telephone number, I actually need to change my country. So I'll check my country. Oh, Cameroon. So click on Cameroon. After which I need to insert my telephone number. The telephone number will actually enable you to PayPal to send you a verification code. That is to verify if you are the owner of this number. Once you receive this verification code, you simply insert the verification code. After which you need to give the appropriate information about yourself simply by inserting your email address, this email address will actually enable you to receive money. That is, each time you want to send money to your clients or to your friends, this is what you are going to use. So after that, I'll insert my first name, after which I'll insert my last name. So once I'm done with that, I'll simply create my password. After which I'll simply confirm my password. So once you are done with the whole process, you click on next. So secondly, you need to add your address. So I'll simply add my first address, my second address. After that, I need to insert my place of birth. After which I'll simply click on check. So after which I'll simply click on this box, and after which I'll simply click on the next box, that is to confirm their policy and their agreements. Once I'm done with the whole process, I'll click on accept and create account. Oh, after that, we are done with creating our PayPal account. So we'll actually move to the page. So this is your PayPal account already created. You can actually say hi on your room. So this is your PayPal account.